Good morning. It's Grammy. I got my tooth pulled yesterday. This one. She's gonna try to work on this other one in a couple of weeks and not pull it. Yesterday, I slept most of the day and I slept pretty good last night. So I think I got some rest that I so needed. Sitting here this morning drinking my coffee. I've been saying on a lot of my videos that I really feel like this is a war against good versus evil. So, what I want to say this morning is anybody that is so inclined to believe in prayer, if you believe there's a God, a creator, regardless of your religious beliefs, and if you believe this is a war against good versus evil, then these are some little things I was thinking about this morning about I'm going to start praying about things happening to Donald Trump. We're all experiencing things happening to us that have been put on us by evil. But I'm going to pray to the Creator, the good. And I don't know what He'll do, but I can leave it up to Him. But I just wanted to share with y'all some of my thoughts. Funny as they may be, I think they're fitting, such as maybe a rat or a roach infestation at Mar-Largo. I mean, a bad infant, you know, infestation. What about maybe for some unexplained reason, alligators and crocodiles just happen to start taking over the grounds at Mar-Largo, and people can't move or do anything down there without alligators and crocodiles being all around them. What about, when Trump's out on the golf course with all his cronies on a beautiful sunny day, maybe hailstorm the size of baseballs, just out of the blue, start crashing down on them and destroying the golf course, destroying the the golf carts, hitting them on the head, and they have to run like a bunch of scared cats. These were just things that gave me a chuckle. But good versus evil. So anybody that feels like they'd like to join me in some prayers, and we'll just leave it up to God as far as how He wants to handle it. I can let Him know these are some things I'm thinking about, some things I'd like to see happen to let us know that He's still in charge up there, and whatever He does, it'll be Him, not Trump and the MAGAs enforcing their will on everybody. So that's just my thoughts this morning, as silly as they may sound. So let's all just stay in this fight however we can. Try to take care of ourselves and love each other. So I love you all, Tangled Up in Blue, and try to have a good day today. I'll talk to you later, Grammy Antonia. Bye.